Hi, today we're going to do an unboxing of 1EasyLife 2-tier dish rack. This is an item I purchased from Amazon, and hopefully this will help us organize our kitchen better. So let's get started. So this is how the item looks like outside of the box and its original packaging. The item actually looks good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I like the stainless steel and the hard plastic uh, at the bottom, and it looks very well made. So the instruction is picture based. It doesn't even have names for all the parts that's included. You just have the picture and the number on how many you should have. So it's pretty self-explanatory. And in the back you have instruction on how to put the product together. It also comes with a small drain cover, so I'm not sure if you're really going to use it since you want the water to drain out as you use it, so maybe when you transport the product. And in the bottom you can find a drain tube that you can actually move around, so you can place the tray any position you want in your kitchen. To begin assembly, you want the base tray flat on your table. Then grab your bottom tray rack, then snap it into place. If you look into the base, you can find some tubes where you can insert the foot of the stand for the second tray. Just repeat the process on the other side. Then grab the upper tray and snap it into place. After putting on the second tray, I noticed that the tray becomes very stable. So let's go ahead and put the rest of the parts. This is a cup holder. You can hang this on either side of the tray. Next, we will assemble the side tray. To do this, just grab the two plastic hangers and snap it into the side tray. You can install this on either side of the tray. Next, install the spoon and fork basket. If you notice, just like the side tray, it also comes with a spout that directs the water back into the base. This is to make sure that all the water goes back into the base and then drain out properly from the tube. So this is how it will look like when it's fully assembled. So this is my previous dish rack. And this is the new 1EasyLife 2-tier dish rack. It gives me more space and it looks nicer because it matches all of our appliances. And if you look closely, you will see that the drain tube goes directly into my sink. So this will help my counter to remain dry. I hope this video helped you in getting a closer look with 1EasyLife dish rack. If you decided to purchase this product, I put an affiliate link down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.